Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a pivot table in Excel quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the data you want to analyze. Make sure that your table has headers for each column. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top and click Pivot Table. A pop-up will appear and choose whether to place a pivot table in a new worksheet or an existing one, then click OK. Now on the right side, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields panel. Drag your fields into the rows, column, values, or filters areas depending on how you want to summarize your data, and Excel will automatically generate your pivot table so you can quickly analyze the totals, average, counts, and more. And that's it. That's how you create pivot table in Excel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next one.